Why use automated reminders in scheduling apps?
Automated reminders help you stay organized and ensure important tasks are never missed. With AI-powered scheduling apps, you can set up recurring notifications for meetings, deadlines, or personal routines. This reduces manual follow-up, boosts productivity, and helps manage busy schedules. Learn how to leverage these smart reminders for better time management and reduced stress.
Popular AI scheduling apps overview.
The AI scheduling apps, like Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and Calendly, use artificial intelligence to automate appointment management and reminders. These apps analyze your preferences, eliminate scheduling conflicts, and send timely notifications. By connecting with various devices and platforms, they offer seamless integration and intelligent automation, making it easier to manage both personal and professional schedules.
Setting recurring reminders in Google Calendar.
In Google Calendar, create a new event and select Does Not Repeat to open recurrence options. Choose daily, weekly, monthly, or custom frequencies. Toggle the Add Notification button to set reminder alerts before your event. You can receive reminders via email or pop-up on your devices. Save the event, and Google Calendar will handle the rest automatically.
Automated reminders with Microsoft Outlook.
To set up automated reminders in Microsoft Outlook, create a new appointment. Select Recurrence to pick how often it repeats. In the Reminder drop-down, set when you want to be alerted, minutes, hours, or days in advance. Save the appointment. Outlook will deliver reminder alerts across devices linked to your account, keeping you on track.
Using Calendly for smart scheduling reminders.
Calendly specializes in streamlining meeting scheduling and sending automated reminders. When setting up an event type, go to Notifications and Cancellation Policy to customize email and SMS reminders for invitees. Set reminders to send days or hours before the appointment. Calendly's integration with calendars and communication platforms ensures no one forgets or misses scheduled meetings.
Tips for effective automated reminder setup.
For best results, tailor your reminder frequency and format to your needs. Combine in-app notifications with emails or texts for important tasks. Regularly review recurring events to avoid clutter and update outdated reminders. Take advantage of AI features to adjust reminders based on your schedule changes. Automated reminders, used thoughtfully, can transform your personal and professional productivity.